Hi, welcome to Expert Village. I'm Gretchen Soares, and today we're going to be making a rag blanket. Okay, in this segment we are going to finish defuzzing the quilt and get it ready for use. So we finished washing it. After it was done in the washer, we put it in the dryer. It's been drying on high for about an hour and a half. So we're going to go ahead and get it out and take it to our work counter. Okay, after it's washed and dried, usually they're really fuzzy and you have to come through and pick off all the excess fuzz. This one did really well today. That's the joy of using recycled fabric. It doesn't deteriorate quite as badly as the new fabric does the first wash. And we just want to check and make sure that nothing came unsewn in the first washing. And this looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So we have our rag blanket. Each time you use this, it's going to get a little softer and a little more raveled, which is great. That's the look we're going for, nice and soft. You're going to wash it with cold water on a regular setting. Permanent press would be great on your washer. No need to wash this on a gentle setting. And you're going to wash it with your usual laundry detergent, whatever is good for you. And the best way to dry this would be in the dryer on a medium setting for about an hour. It's very thick, so it does take a while. You will want to wash this by itself. You don't want to put this in with another load of laundry because the ragging effect and the raveling is going to make some fuzz in your washer and dryer, and you don't want to get all over your other clothing. You also want to make sure you wipe out your washing machine and get the excess fuzz out after you wash it, and clean your lint trap after you dry it.